When do employee rights apply during the hiring process? Breaking news in labor and employment law. A hot topic right now is understanding when employee rights kick in during the hiring process. If you are a job seeker or an employer, this is essential information you need to know. Recent discussions have highlighted the importance of fair hiring practices and the legal protections in place for candidates. Employee rights begin to apply at various stages of the hiring process. First, during recruitment and job advertising, employers must avoid any discriminatory language. This includes criteria that could exclude candidates based on age, sex, disability, race, and other protected characteristics. Laws like the Age Discrimination Act of 2004, the Sex Discrimination Act of 1984, and the Disability Discrimination Act of 1992 prohibit discrimination right from the start. Next, let's talk about the interview process. Candidates have the right to not face discriminatory questions or unfair treatment based on their protected attributes. Employers must ensure that interview questions comply with anti-discrimination statutes. For example, Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 in the United States forbids discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, and national origin. Another important point is during employment eligibility verification. In the United States, employers are required to complete Form I-9 for each new hire. This verifies identity and employment authorization and must be done without bias, respecting candidates' rights to privacy and equal treatment. When it comes to making hiring decisions, employers must base their choices on job-related qualifications. They should avoid practices that could result in a negative impact on protected groups. Compliance with laws requires evaluating job requirements to ensure they are relevant and necessary. Lastly, protections against retaliation and unfair practices are crucial. The Fair Work Act of 2009 in Australia provides protections against unfair treatment. It ensures minimum employment standards from the moment of hiring and continuing into employment. Employee rights apply from the initial recruitment phase through to the final hiring decision and onboarding. These rights are enforced by various federal and state laws that prohibit discrimination. Employers must understand these regulations to avoid legal risks and promote equal opportunity. This is a vital topic that affects many job seekers today, and staying informed can make a significant difference in the hiring experience.